Hello to my few fine Freedom Physics fans. I've got a new special object to showcase to you here. It's called the laser pointer. It emits a bouncing laser which can be used to trigger collisions and events attached to collisions and whatnot. So here's a few lasers I have already placed in this level here. I've programmed this blue laser to freeze objects and this green laser to unfreeze the objects. So essentially created kind of a freeze ray, unfreeze ray kind of situation. Well, you see the balls will stop bouncing when the blue ray hits them, and they'll continue when the green ray hits them. We also have another example over here. This red object here is a laser pointer, and I've set it to turn on when I press the space bar. I've also set it to have a speed attached to it, so it doesn't actually travel at full speed. The speed can be adjusted. I'll let the laser finish where it's going before I show you that, and there's the end. The distance the laser travels can be adjusted with this ability value number 1. So I can change it to, say, lower it to 50, and it only goes this far. I can also change the amount of times it's able to bounce. So right now it's at 50. If I set it to 1, see, it'll only bounce 1 time. Of course, we can also have no bouncing by setting it to 0. And this third value is where we set the speed. So as you saw, it was at 0.5, which kind of gives it a slow and steady progression. We can have it a bit faster, say 5, and let's try and put it back where it was here. Oh, and we want to add the bouncing back and give it its original length of 500. So as you can see now, it shoots quite quickly. Obviously, if you want it instantaneous, then you just need your speed to match your distance, 500 and 500, and the laser travels instantly. One other potential use of showcasing here is a kind of a sensor application. So in this case, we have kind of a security system here with a cannon with a laser pointer attached. The laser is very long, but it does not bounce. And I've added a collision event where if this laser detects object number 1, which is our rocket ship, it will then shoot the cannon. So let's go over there and see if we can get shot by it. Just gonna dodge the freezing laser so I don't get frozen. Oh, and as you can see, I just passed the laser and the cannon shot and it hit me. Come back, laser. There we go. Anytime the laser senses the rocket ship, the cannon fires. May or may not actually hit you based on how fast you're going and whatnot. Well, that was quite a good lucky shot. But if I pass through the laser quite quickly, I'm sure the cannon's not going to be able to strike me. But yeah, there's just some applications of what we can do with the laser. One more thing I thought was a bit cool was just opening up a blank level here and slightly angle my laser. Let's get a distance of 9,999 and say a speed of 9. Just make sure it can bounce as much as it wants as well. And I'm just changing the angle of my laser slightly, which produces kind of some different results there. But yeah, laser pointers, some extra fun.